दिखा देने मिले और कॉर्नर में चले जाए। मिल लें कॉर्नर पे। ठीक है आप जाएं। नहीं आप चले गार्ड पहले माउस गार्ड लगाए।
The event, and this fight is gonna deliver itself, mark my words, because one guy is a wrestler, a big time wrestler, also known as Khabib of Karachi, and the other Habib China. I've seen him fight before, and he's a very good skilled striker. So let's see.
So Habib is from LPFC and Zubair Khan is from Badshah, Team Badshah. Zubair Khan has travelled from all the way from Karachi for this fight, and we've had two spectacular fights finishing in the first and second round, and let's see how this one goes. And now the fight starts. A touch of glove by both opponents.
It looks like Habib.
Okay.
I thought he was just
he looks like Habib as well. All right.
beautiful.
So Habib China has gone right for the takedown, but Zubair is on top. Habib
China
is
basically looking for a triangle, but Zubair is on side mount right now.
Yeah,
Let's see where the fight goes.
Zubair is trying to land
Pass
some
the guard,
shots,
basically.
but both fighters have good control on the ground. China is on bottom and Habib is on top.
Habib is basically trying to pass the guard of Zubair, Habib China. Pardon me. Zubair is basically trying to pass. Oh, he's in full mount right now.
He's in full mount and he's trying to control the wrist.
Let's see, he can deliver the ground and pound.
Yeah. Habib is trying very hard to get back on top, but Zubair seriously right now does look like Habib.
Yeah, exactly.
He has the same beard, the same haircut, and he looks angry right now.
And look at his big fucking cauliflower ears.
Yeah. So right now both of them are on the ground. There's no such activity. Habib is trying to hold him right so he doesn't land any shots. He's trying to keep his head right next to his chest, but Zubair is trying to get out. No shots have been landed right now.
Zubair is trying desperately to posture up himself, but Habib is doing a good thing to defend.
Zubair is trying to land some shots, but he's being unsuccessful right now. You know, the game of Habib is pretty good. Well, Habib China is pretty good because Zubair has not landed any shots up till now, and he's on mount.
But Habib needs to get himself out of this position because he ain't gonna win on the judges' scorecard.
Yeah, they need some activity for sure.
Zubair is in full mount.
Zubair is trying to. Habib is trying to use the cage to get up, but he's being unsuccessful. Zubair is landing some shots, but no significant shot has been landed up till now.
Now I think he's gonna deliver a huge ground and pound. Let's see if he can. If he has something in his arsenal, he's gonna deliver it. He's gonna fire it.
But Habib's ground game seems pretty good because Zubair has been on top, but he has not been able to land any single significant shot right now.
Habib is basically defending it himself beautifully here. Although I think he's gonna sweep this now. He's gonna get a sweep. Is he?
He's trying to come up with something. Does he have hold of the ankle? No, the legs are tied up.
Zubair is on top again.
Both of them are trying to get up.
And
Zubair has perfect wrist control and he is controlling Habib right now. Both are trying to get back, but they are not, unfortunately. Now the round is over.
First round, in my opinion, goes to Habib of Karachi.
Zubair Khan from Karachi, and Habib China fought very well as well because of his ground game. Zubair was not able to land any significant strikes. He did land a few strikes, but not any. Yet he was on top position.
Let's see where the fight goes in the second round.
But this was a very tiring round for both fighters. Both seem gassed out. Both seem very tired.
Look at them; they're breathing pretty heavily.
Yeah.
And this is not a good sign for either of the fighters.
Yes. Now let's see how this second round comes along. All of us are hoping for a brilliant fight ahead, a knockout, a submission, anything to hype the crowd up. Ladies and gentlemen, the third fight of Flogger Series.
We've had
is the
two
second
finishes in the first two fights.
And spectacular finishes, knockouts. Okay, so they dropped water in the cage. They're trying to clean that because if one of the fighters steps on it, they can easily fall, injure themselves, which can stop the fight. Nobody wants that to happen right now. Okay, so there is water on both sides of the cage right now, and Zubair is requesting his side to be cleaned as well. Where's the management at?
Look at Habib China, he's smiling, looking at
He does look like a Chinaman, you know?
Exactly, he does.
And he does look like Habib from Karachi. I'm not even kidding. Look at his face. He
Look
looks
at
like a
his face.
Pakistani Habib.
From the side pose, you can't say he's Zubair, he's just Habib. Okay.
Now it's time for the second round. The fighters try to touch glove. Habib wants to
Habib
touch
doesn't
glove.
want
Oh my god!
Beautiful
A
kick.
beautiful body
Beautiful left
shot
kick.
by Habib China.
Look at Zubair, how cool and calm he is. But he needs to get his posture, guard up.
Oh my god. Okay, now
Beautiful,
Zubair takes him
beautiful
back on the
throw.
ground.
Beautiful throw by Zubair. Let's see if
Is he going to let the fight back up? Those leg kicks from the bottom can land as well and he can knock him out. Zubair needs to be very careful, but he tries to sweep in. Alright, both fighters are back up.
Again,
and
a
Zubair
beautiful
takes him
single
out.
leg takedown by Zubair Khan.
Habib has his neck. Habib has Zubair's neck, which can be crucial, but
is
Zubair
not
is
allowing
out.
Habib to get up from this position. And I think this fight is, the second round is going to be the same as round one.
Zubair is going to be on top and trying to land some significant strikes while Habib fights his way back up. But then again, you can see he cannot land any such strikes because Habib China's ground game is pretty good.
He is pretty good, but unless he gets back up, he gets a sweep, he's going to lose the round.
Yes. So what Zubair is trying to do is keep his head on Habib's chest.
Basically,
so
he's putting
Habib,
a pressure on Habib China's chest.
So Habib can't land any knees or elbows or strikes from the bottom. He's controlling both his wrists right now. Zubair is controlling. Oh,
beautiful
heavy shot. A heavy shot.
Probably the first ground and pound landed on Habib China.
Both fighters are trying to figure out how to land a strike. Both are doing very well defensively. Habib is trying to get back up and they back up, but Zubair takes him back down again. Zubair takes him back down again. Okay, so Habib is pulling Zubair's shorts, but that issue has been cleared. Man, he actually looks like Habib, man. He's so weird.
And the way a beautiful trip by judo stuff.
The way Zubair is controlling him on the ground is unbelievable. A knee to the body.
They both are grabbing each other's shorts.
Yes,
I don't know.
The referee has paused the fight for a moment because both fighters are trying to grab each other's shorts,
so
and that's causing
called
issues.
to deduct 1 point from Habib China.
And he's going to give a warning to both corners, otherwise points will be deducted for such acts.
They both are tired as fuck, man.
Yeah, I'm still amazed at the fact that he looks like Habib. Oh my god, a shot to the leg. That was not a body shot, another body shot he's trying to land. They're exchanging in the pocket. Zubair goes for the takedown. He's unsuccessful up till now.
Look at him controlling the leg of Habib China, just like Habib does.
But Habib's arms are going to get tired out because if he keeps on doing like this,
if Habib wants to win this fight, he needs to do something.
What Zubair needs to do is get his head out of Habib's choke right now. I think this is not effective. This is giving them time to calm down, catch a breath. But
this will definitely give the round again to Zubair.
Yeah, and Habib is going to tire his arms out. As you can see, he's pretty tired. Yeah. There's no activity from each fighter right now.
This is what you get sometimes in amateur fights, basically.
It's a good fight. It's not a bad fight
yes,
because, you know, Habib's ground game is pretty good and Zubair is on his attack. He's putting him down again and again.
What Habib needs to do is throw some ground and pound and what Zubair needs to do is throw some ground and pound.
Yes.
And what Habib China needs to do is keep the fighting on stand up.
Yeah.
If he wants to win this fight, he has to score a knockout, a TKO, or a submission.
Because right now, as we have assumed, Habib has less chance of winning this fight. Zubair is going to win this fight if the fight plays out the same way as it has been since the past 2 rounds. But a phenomenal performance by both athletes yet again.
Both are tired as fuck. And let's see if this round goes same, just like the 2 previous rounds.
Both fighters seem tired. The 3rd round is about to begin.
But look at Zubair, he just wants to go in, he just wants to fight. A beautiful kick again,
Habib lands
leg
a
kick.
leg kick. He lands another leg kick,
body
and
kick.
what
And
a
a left
left hand. He lands another body kick. Okay, so now Habib China is very active. He's throwing shots, but yet again Zubair goes and tries to gap into the ground. Habib has a lock on his leg,
It
on
looks
his
like
neck.
China's corner has a changed game plan now. But again, Zubair is so good in the ground game. He isn't letting Habib
Oh my
China.
God!
Beautiful Akhada Pahlwani throw shown by Zubair. So much power in this guy.
Yeah, so Habib is controlling Zubair's neck right now, but now Zubair is again on
In full
mount, and he's landing shots to the body.
What Zubair needs to do is posture up and then deliver some ground and pound. Only that way he is effective.
The fight is in the ground right now. Both athletes are trying to throw something, but they're unsuccessful.
They're
rolling.
Zubair, he's got beautiful sweep.
This is beautiful
But again,
rolling being done
yet
right
again,
now.
Zubair doesn't let him go away, get away.
And Zubair is back on top.
China doesn't know what to do right now because whatever he has in his arsenal, he has used it
And
against
he's
Zubair.
carrying Zubair's weight since the
Exactly,
first
since the
round.
first
This
round.
is tiring him out. Okay, so now
Both
the
are tired as
referee has called a pause to the fight, and now they're back up on the ground.
Let's see.
I don't know why they stood the fight back up again. It wasn't necessary. So Zubair takes him down. What a takedown by Zubair. Habib China is getting tired. He's trying to hold the neck, but Zubair's ground game is brilliant. This is some proper Pelvani which he's doing right now.
And this whole fight, we've seen some brilliant takedowns by Zubair Khan.
Yes.
And no wonder everyone calls him Khabib of Karachi.
Yes, he has proven that to us today,
exactly.
but yet he has not been able to land significant strikes on the
That is
ground as
because,
well.
Habib China hasn't allowed him.
Yeah, and Habib's China ground game is also pretty good off his back. He's on mount, he's landing shots to the body.
But Zubair has been impressive.
Yes.
He has been very impressive. This is his first appearance in Flogger Series.
Yes, and he's come all the way from Karachi for this fight, and he has not disappointed with his performance.
Beautiful Pelwani stuff.
Yes.
He brought in
And
this
I'm
fight.
still in shock. We had a Khabib, Pakistani Khabib, and we didn't know about it, but everybody's going to know about him today after such a magnificent...
Exactly. He just doesn't want Habib China to get up.
Yeah, he's controlling both hands, and right now
10 seconds
Zubair
left and
Khan
six.
is getting excited because he knows
he's
he's won the
celebrating
fight.
already.
The celebrations have started.
Before the
And
fight
the
has
fight is
ended.
over. Masterful performance by Zubair Khan from all the way from Karachi representing Team Badshah. Let's go to this judge's scorecard for decision. Khabib, bro. Bro, that's Khabib.
Credit cards in the sky, put the perception. Let us have it in this flesh. Give me that to rest on the flesh. I be playing I can play this, I can legacies.
Zubair, unanimous decision.
मस्त फाइट है हुई नासिर भाई.
After 3 one-sided rounds, we go to the judges' scorecards. All 3 judges have scored the contest in the favor of the winner by unanimous decision. Out of the blue corner, Zubair Khan. So basically.